How to use Gigabyte Control Center. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Gigabyte Control Center to optimize your PC's performance and customize settings easily. Step 1. Download and install. Visit the official Gigabyte website. Download the Gigabyte Control Center for your motherboard or PC model. Install and launch the app. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. When you open the Control Center, you'll see the dashboard with system info like CPU, GPU, temperature, and fan speeds. This is your main control hub. Step 3. Customize fan settings. Go to the Smart Fan or Fan Control tab. You can set fan curves manually or choose presets like Silent, Performance, or Standard. Adjust speeds to keep your PC cool and quiet. Step 4. Adjust RGB lighting. Navigate to the RGB Fusion section. Pick colors, effects, and sync lighting with other compatible Gigabyte devices. Customize your PC's look to fit your style. Step 5. Overclock your system, optional. If you want to boost performance, go to the Overclocking tab. Adjust CPU and memory settings carefully. Save your profile once you find stable settings. Step 6. Update firmware and drivers. Use the Control Center to check for BIOS updates and driver downloads. Keeping everything updated ensures the best performance and stability. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more PC tips and tutorials.